as a man, you should be very, very afraid. You should be very, very concerned because women today have power, and a woman can accuse you of something that you haven't done. And you may go through the legal process, you may go through a trial, and it will be proven that you are innocent. But at the end of the day, the damage is done. Your life is pretty much messed up. If you have a career in business, well, that's in shambles. Your reputation, it's gone to hell in a handbag. Your credibility, there isn't none. And pretty much your life is over, right? Your life is over when a woman accuses you of something that's not true, it's false. And even if you prove it after months or years in a court trial, you prove your innocence, you prove that she lied against you, it doesn't matter. And at the end of the day, the results are still the same. The outcome is still the same. Your life is pretty much over. You can't come back from it. Do you know how many men has been accused by women who've accused them falsely of raping or assault or some kind of thing that turned out to be not true? And it doesn't matter at the end of the day if they're not true because it sticks with you for the rest of your life. So if you're a man and you're gloating about what Andrew Tate is going through, I want to invite you to re-examine your heart and your thoughts, because everything that you hear in the media, everything that you read in the news is clearly not true. So be very, very wary as a man, because this world doesn't like you. This world is against you.